I have got the new Beats Studio Pro that came out in the UK yesterday. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and I'll do another video very soon comparing these to the Airpods Max, which are the Apple alternative if you're looking for over-ear headphones. So on with the unboxing. We have got new packaging which is 100% recyclable, which I love. Open the lid. And first thing we see is the new carry case, which is really compact. It's like a little wash bag. I really love that. That will make them a lot easier to travel with. And I'm going on holiday soon, so I think I'm going to take these with me instead of the Airpods Max because they're a bit cumbersome with the bra case. Just unzip that there before we look at the headphones. We have got two leads. We have got a USB-C to USB-C because you can actually connect these to your computer. Or a phone if it has a USB-C connection, and you can listen to music in high-res lossless audio. And then we also have a 3.5mm lead. Put that back in there, and let's get the actual headphones out. So they fold up nice and neat. I went for the navy out of the 4 colors available. The black didn't do it for me. The brown was nice, but didn't really do it for me. The sandstone, I was really worried that the white headband would get dirty. So I went for the navy. It seemed like the best compromise. And I really like the new sort of brushed stainless steel accents on the Beats logo. And on the hinge here, these are what look like stainless steel or brushed steel hinges. So they've got a very kind of satisfying clicking mechanism. And then you also have the new faux plush leather, which feels very pillowy and soft and cool to the touch. So I'm really looking forward to sticking those on my head and seeing what they're like. They're very lightweight in comparison to the AirPods Max. So yeah, we'll do a little quick test over the weekend, and I will be back with another video comparing the Max with the Beats Studio Pro.